Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are seeing this PS4 error code CE331164, it usually means your system can't read a game or update the file properly. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix this error step by step. So first of all, you need to start with the most common cause. If you are using a disk, you just have to remove it and check for scratches or dirt. Clean the disk, and then you need to basically use a soft cloth in order to clean it, wiping from the center to edge. Then simply reinsert it back into your PS4 and try again. If the disk is damaged, it may not work properly and it may then show you this type of error. Now, if the issue is with a digital or installed game, you can simply go to the settings of your PS5. In the settings, go to storage. In the storage, look for the option of applications. Now, in the applications, you just have to basically find the game and you need to delete it completely. After doing so, simply restart your PS4 and reinstall the game again, or you need to update it again. This particular step is going to remove any corrupted files that is causing the error. Now you need to also fix the system level issues. For that, you just have to basically turn off your PS4 completely. After that, hold and basically wait for the power button until you hear 2 beeps to enter into the safe mode. Inside safe mode, you need to select the option of rebuild database. This particular step is going to scan and fix the system file issues without deleting your data. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your PS4 is working again properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.